Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video. It's just a regular one and I am using page maps and this is the sketch that I am using. It is from September 2020 and it's just a little simple one that I turned in to make it look like awesomely awesome. And the one thing that I like about Vickie Boutin's watercolor collections is when I really don't want to mess around with like mixed media, but I want a mixed media background, these watercolor papers or the mixed media papers that she makes for her collections are spot on. So I ended up getting this collection out. It's one of the older collections. I did the Honey and Bee collection or something like that, and then the Let's Wander collection. I didn't really take too much from the Wander collection other than the embellishments, but I did do a little bit of both in here, but mainly the watercolor paper is from the Wander collection. It came out during that time. And then this one is from the Honey and Bee one, or that Honey Bee one. I'm not sure. I can't remember what it's called, but it was like 3 times ago, I think. It was when the embellishments didn't get as big as they are now. That I know for sure. I have quite a bit of the collections left, and I'm just making sure that everything is good and it looks awesome and kind of, you know, just kept the streamline of the sketch. The sketch had a piece of paper going down, which is my mixed media, and then the rest of it went across. Now, my titles and all of that stuff where it's all placed is all different, but I have it to where it's like a T shape or an L shape or however you want to look at it. So I'm just adding my background papers, and it's just 2 papers that were used. I used this collection quite a bit during my Cuba. It was actually pretty much all of Cuba trip when we went, and these are like little papers that are left over, so that's what these are for. And I'm just backing it, and that's it. So the photos are, I'm not sure if a lot of people have them in like their malls or somewhere in like a strip mall type setting, but these photos are of when I did this was the very first time I ever did it, and it's where you put your feet in the minnow eat off like different things off the skin. It's like from the vibrations, and I absolutely love it. I'm telling you right now, I do quite a bit of adventurous things, and I would absolutely go back again for this style again. I absolutely love doing this. It was a lot of fun. Now, I went with my friend Michaela that has now moved to Maryland, and my friend Dee Dee, her and her little chunker munker of a son came with, and we all did it and tried it out, and Dee Dee didn't like it so much. Michaela got onto it. Me, I just put my foot in and went to town. Like, it was easy peasy. This piece of paper stays, and then I get rid of it. You'll see it all of a sudden just disappear. It just didn't quite fit the way I wanted it to. At first, I wanted it to look like the minnows, like the ends of the minnows, and it does, like eating the pictures, kind of like how they're eating my feet. But it doesn't fit the MO once I get going, like the layout. It just doesn't fit it. But I tried different titles, and I find one that's called Small Adventures. And that is going to be my title. And the title is on the opposite side. Like the one side had where the title was supposed to be, but the flowers are there. And I fussy cut this whole flower out because I like the curve of it. And the curve is on the sketch. Now, I are just going through all of the embellishments. Now, I will say that I seriously thought I glued and had my video going at this time to glue all these down, and I didn't. I was like, oops, well, I'll just say that it's off camera. But I did place them literally in the same spots. I just went through and found, that's the collection I was talking about. I don't think you can see the name on it, but I bring in Small Adventure, and then I say, so fun. I find a spot for it. And you know how I am. I like to, I have no issues covering up all of the, like, some of the photos and stuff. I come in with some circle round dots, and I do come in with sequins. I sometimes forget about the sequins, and they stare at me right at my face. Like, I can see them hands down right where they're at, and so I just haven't been getting them out lately. So it's been perfect for all of these little bits and bobs. I really, truly love how this turned out. I really enjoy this collection, and I wish I would have gotten more of this one. I like both of them. I like Let's Wander and the other one, but I wish I would have gotten more of this one when it came out, because I ended up getting in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. Christina added some, and this is where that one comes out of there. She added one or two of the papers, and they were super gorge. And so I was like, man, why did I not get this collection later? So she sent me everything she had at that time. And then I went online and just started looking for other collections of this one and got as much as I possibly could. And here I am. I'm just placing all of this. And I do get this lovely put on here. I say lovely, so fun. And then my other title is Small Adventure. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am a close to my heart consultant along with design team members to a couple design teams along with collaborations. I do 12 by 12 traveler's notebooks, all of that stuff. I have an amazing group that is linked down below. Here are the sequins from Spiegel Mom Scraps. I know that this one is an old collection, and I'm pretty sure it's not even available. But I love it. And I have to give props to Lisa. Lisa's the one that got me this jewel picker. And y'all, you are no longer seeing me use the tweezers. Like, the jewel thing is amazing. And I'm super duper glad that I was able to get it. And I got two of them. I had to get two different colors, you know, because that's just me. Just in case if I'd misplaced one, I had another. But I'm just placing down the sequence, and then that is it. The still shots will be coming up here shortly. Yeah, like I said, I just really love this. You guys are just going to literally watch all of my sequence put down, and yeah, just kind of where I'm placing it. I just place them kind of wherever. I love how the mixed media sticks out in certain spots. And it just brings it together. That flower, that curve of that flower is perfect for this layout and whatnot. So I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day. And I'm going to leave you with just a little bit of this. Make sure that if you're new, like and subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.